There are many advanced technologies currently in use across various industries, and it's difficult to pinpoint a single technology as the most high-tech. However, some of the most cutting-edge technologies include artificial intelligence, AI. AI involves the use of algorithms and machine learning techniques to create intelligent systems that can perform tasks that typically require human-like intelligence. AI is being used in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and transportation, to improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making. Blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows for secure and transparent recording and tracking of transactions. It is being used in industries such as finance, supply chain management, and healthcare to improve security, reduce fraud, and increase transparency. Quantum computing. Quantum computing uses quantum mechanical phenomena to perform complex computations that are not possible with classical computers. It has the potential to revolutionize industries such as finance, cryptography, and drug discovery. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. AR and VR technologies create immersive experiences that blend the real world with digital information. They are being used in industries such as gaming, entertainment, education, and healthcare to enhance learning, training, and visualization. 5G networks. 5G is the latest generation of cellular network technology, offering faster speeds and greater bandwidth than previous generations. It is being used in industries such as telecommunications, transportation, and manufacturing to enable real-time data transfer and communication. Each of these technologies has the potential to transform industries in different ways, and they are all in various stages of development and adoption. As they continue to evolve and improve, they will likely play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of many industries.